Now, I'm going to show you something. We call it chained conditionals, where I give a few different conditions all together. Okay? So the command for that is elif. And then I have to give it another condition. So let's take from our logical operators from before. So let's say if x is bigger than y, then you're going to print, make sure you indent, you have to indent for the particular syntax here. So if x is bigger than y, print x is bigger than y. Alrighty, let's run it. I forgot my colon. Let's run it. X is not equal to 2. Why did it jump over my elif statement? Okay. So, because x isn't bigger, right? X is smaller than y. So we've gone it's not equal to. So let's make another, we call it chained conditional, another elif statement. If x is smaller than y, then we will print x is smaller than y. Okay. So let's run it again. Sorry, I did capitalize there. Caps lock off. 1 is smaller than 2. So you see here, I have a chain of conditionals.